Thursday, week 25, number 1, scientists' belief that the African gray, a large parrot with a red tail, can learn hundreds of words. I think the African gray, that parrot, is up at the Toledo Zoo, actually. But anyways, to the sentence, scientists believe, okay, they don't believe, you have a belief, but then you believe in something. So scientists believe that the African gray, what you want to do here is you want to get into your commas, because it's like in a positive phrase, a large parrot with a red tail. Because you could take that right out of the sentence and you'd have scientists believe that the African gray can learn hundreds of words and it'd still be a sentence. A large parrot with a red tail just kind of helps the sentence along, gives it more information, so that's called in a positive phrase, but you put commas around it. And then it can learn hundreds of words. You can already see the red line under learn, L-E-A-R-N, can learn hundreds of words. And so therefore, now you have a good sentence. Scientists believe that the African gray, a large parrot with a red tail, can learn hundreds of words. Number 2, we move to Will, our cousin. Will, our cousin, lost weight because he had an serious stomach infection. So actually for number 2, we have another positive phrase, Will, comma, our cousin, comma, because that lets us know more about who Will is. He doesn't have to be in the sentence, the cousin part, but it just gives us more information. So it's in a positive phrase, and it gets commas around it. So Will, our cousin, lost weight. You can see the wrong weight here, W-E-I-G-H-T would be the proper weight there. Because he had an serious stomach infection. Well, it's not a vowel sound. Serious is not a vowel sound, so we just need a, because he had a serious stomach infection. And if you notice, there's a period missing here at the end. Number 3, we have comparative and superlative form. The Chow Chow is one of the world's blank dog breeds. So, since we're talking about all of the world's dog breeds, you are in the superlative form. And so it looks like our word is old. And so we have to decide, all right, we have the word old. Are we in the comparative form, superlative form? What do we do to it? We're in the superlative form because we're talking about more than 2 breeds. We're talking about, all the dog breeds in the world. And so we need to add EST because it's one syllable. Okay? Most is the other superlative in here, but old is only one. It is only one syllable, so that's why we just add EST, and so it should be oldest dog breeds. And then finally down here we have singular, plural, or both. And these are just things sometimes you just kind of know or don't know. There can be little clues sometimes. For stimulus, though, this is kind of an irregular word. Usually when you have an S on the end, you'd think it would be plural, and a lot of times it is. But in this one, actually, stimulus is the singular version. I believe stimuli is actually the plural version. And then index is also singular. Indexes would be the plural version of that. So those are both singular. And that is all for Thursday, week 25.